there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another amazing software. This one is called Ecco, and this one in a nutshell is a ChatGPT powered application that helps you turn any article, keywords, blogs, URLs, websites, and including a PDF into voiceovers, into podcasts, and of course audiobook that you can market in certain marketplaces that will fetch you and attract you the audience that is going to actually patronize whatever you have out there. Example, the audiobook you could create with this very application will go a long way in helping you do TV commercials, webinars, sales videos, and anything you want, including voiceovers over any material of your choice. It's an amazing product from 𝗪𝗏𝗪, and it's going live today, the 1st of March 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York. That's exactly when this product is going to go live. It's an amazing one that helps you use ChatGPT powered application to create voiceovers, unique high quality voiceovers, and of course podcasts, and of course what else, audiobooks that you can sell online and use for your sales videos and everything else you want. Amazing one. I'm delighted to bring this one to you. It's one of those blockbusters, I believe, that will help you go a long way in creating very interesting sales video, podcasts, and anything else you want out there online. I can assure you, if you stick with me, I will show you through the very members area, which is exactly this. This is exactly where you're going to do the projects, and of course link it with the marketplace where you are going to get the audience that will patronize you. Okay, you could sell the audiobooks, do podcasts for your work, blogs, and everything else you want. So it's an amazing product. I will take you through these tabs and we'll try to create something for you so that you can see, and also show you the demo video of this product in action. If you stick with me till the end, you are going to have access to the amazing bonuses that I have for you, and of course the pricing, which will definitely blow your mind, because these are training courses that are currently making waves online and on Warrior Plus, where this product is going to be launched as well. At any point you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description will bring you to the sales page, which is exactly this, and then of course you find any of the buttons that is allocated for that purpose. Something like this will give you access to the Warrior Plus platform where this product is launched and hosted, and you'll be able to actually get a copy for yourself. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. My name is Mike of the 𝗪𝗏𝗪.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you make money online. So stick with me while we go on this one. Now let's see exactly what you have here in details. 𝗪𝗏𝗪, my mentor and a great guy, said that this ChatGPT 4 powered application is going to help you turn any website, any URL, keywords, anything you want out there into high quality audiobooks or podcasts, including voiceovers that you can publish to their specific marketplace, which has over 2.3 million users, and you can have the ability to make over nearly $400 a day without recording anything, without writing any script yourself. You don't need any special technical skills. It's a copy and paste arrangement, no experience. You published your first audiobook in just a matter of minutes. Okay, so some of the basic benefits here is that it helps you create first audiobook within minutes and turn any article, URL, PDF, or keyword into audiobook. You create a podcast with human voice without recording, and you choose from 660 real human-like voices. These are AI voices and standard voices that are going to see in the dashboard area, and you can create these voices in different language, over 80 different languages. You don't have any special complicated setup to this. You get up and running in 2 minutes. It comes with 50+ inbuilt AI features that will make your life 100 times easier. Okay, and you don't need to even write any script to yourself, because AI is going to do that. You publish your audiobook to over 2.3 million users, and you publish and on Spotify as well, Audible and Scribe. These are platforms where you can publish any of this. It has 99.9% uptime guarantee, 0 upfront cost, and you have 30 days money back guarantee on this one. And at any time you decide, this button will give you access to this. So let's see some of the basic steps you have with this one. Step 1 will be to buy this product and then log into the dashboard, which is exactly this. And then step 2 will be to, of course, using that first link below in my description area, and then you have the step 2 to generate with any keyword, article, PDF, which you can import from your computer, and the Ecco will turn it into audiobook or podcast that you can publish on your blogs or anything else. And of course, you have step 3, you publish this new audiobook to over 2.3 million users in their inbuilt marketplace. This means a subscriber base, I believe, because that's the only strategy that's making sense to me, a subscriber base of 2.3 million. That means he has access to 2.3 million new users that this very product can be published. That means his list, his subscriber list, is up to 2.3 million. That's a lot of things. I mean, it's like making money on demand. So I'm very, very happy with this one, and you can profit thereafter, depending on if you are now affiliate marketer or you are selling physical e-commerce products. Anything you want, you'll be able to do with this amazing very application, and then see some of these results that they are already seeing using this. Now let's see some of the things you do, like we have already done: audiobooks, create podcasts, create voiceovers, create VSLs, which sells videos, and you can do basically a lot. And you can have your gig on Fiverr where you use these voices to create sales videos for people, webinars, and of course TV commercials and jingles for people using this very application. So that's the beauty of what the strategy is about. And here are some of the testimonials from Alan Weber, Chester Stevens. You have also Shanna Reid, you have Jasmine Thompson. These are testimonials that have been able to use as beta testers of this product, and you can see they are all here and actually putting what they have been able to make using this product. Especially it's good for fitness. Anybody, anything you want to do, just do something with the voices and then put it out there, okay? And you'll be able to have a lot of things cut down for you, a lot of time and energy that you will spend trying to do these things yourself. So that's the beauty of this very one, and I will leave the rest of the review of the sales page to you when you arrive here. And then let's see exactly if we can take a look at the very members area and see how we can create something. Now this is exactly the button that gives you access to the creation area, where you can create by clicking that button. You choose a title, maybe fitness is key, okay? Then the author, Mike Kosami, for example, and keyword, how to maintain fitness, okay? Then here you click next. It's going to do the job. Now you can start from scratch by clicking this link, or you can import a Microsoft Word, or as well also import from the URL of any website, any blog, or anything you want out there. It is going to actually extract the content that you need. And here you have the PDF opportunity to import your PDF, and here you can use the AI chatbot to actually create conversations with other clients of yours and do some of these things. So you choose language here now, which is going to be English US. You can choose any of the other languages you have out here: Russian, Spanish, French, whatever you want. But let's go with US, and then you can choose any voice. For example, you can choose Ivy. For example, you can preview Ivy by actually listening to what it says, and then you can choose Ivy. Okay, now you can choose anyone you want if you preview and actually hear their voices if you like them. And see, this is exactly where you write your content. Let's, for example, it is possible to use fitness to do your affiliate marketing. Online. Sorry about that. Okay. And then yeah, let's see something like that, okay? And then definitely if you want to put pause on any point, you want to put pause. For example, online, you can start. features that are free online and also private platforms. Okay. Yes, now let's do some correction. Okay. Okay, yeah. For example, something like this, okay? You can put pause anywhere you want. You can create pause by clicking here and putting pause for 1 second, and then this one will start. And of course, what you do now is to try to click on synthesize. Okay, when you do that, exactly, it has synthesized. This is exactly what we wrote, and you can listen to it by this button. You can download here. You can also share it on any social network or anywhere you want, and here you can view if you like. You have the options to view or delete. Okay, now let us exactly listen to what we say. Oh yes, there you go. So there you have your whatever, and then if you download it here, you are going to actually have access to the downloaded version of it. Yes, it's downloaded. This is exactly it. It's downloaded. Wait a sec. Yeah, it's downloaded here already. Okay, so you have, it's very easy. Anybody can do this. Now, the other way to do this will be to actually go to your to import document here. For example, you can click import. You can choose file from your computer. Okay, hold on a sec. Let's go to these very files. You can go to desktop, for example. Go to blogs, and you can choose blogs. Okay, and then open. It's going to import it, and then you can add that document here straight. If you scroll down, you are going to find exactly the document that I have imported, and then you can look around here. The text is is enormous for us to be able to use for now. So let's cut it short and see how much we can take. This is for demo purposes, as you can see. This is for demo purposes. Now I want to take my time to actually show you how this works, and then you can do it with the other options you have out there. Okay, yeah, that's a very long text. Okay, you have there. Now let us stop it here, for example. Okay, yeah, so that's it. Let's do some corrections. This is Grammarly. Okay, now that's what you have here. Then you can actually create raise the volume to any height you want. You can reduce, you can add. Okay, so now you synthesize. So when you synthesize, this is what you have. Okay, you can listen to it. Action taking is the only difference between winners and other ideas. So now you can play this. You are going to see this is exactly what you imported from your system, which is from your computer system on Word format, Microsoft Word format. So you can see it works actually. Okay, and now I can actually download it, and it's going to do the job there. So it's downloading. I'll show you. This is downloading. So it's already there, as you can see. Now that's about the importing your Microsoft Word. You can use any URL. If you click here, it will take you to the interface where you have the ability to input any URL of your choice, including website, whatever. The AI is going to fetch the content. Okay, it's very easy. You just perform the same tasks, synthesize, and do the rest. You can import PDF. You can use the AI chatbot. Okay, here you have the tutorials in case you actually want to watch exactly how it works by clicking this, and you'll be able to go through the tutorials and how to get every stage of this done. So you have it there. I will try to play the demo video for this product in action. Otherwise, I will leave the link in the description so that you see exactly how it's going to help you. So that's about what you have with the dashboard. It's very easy. You can see how we did it. It's very easy. Now let us take a look at the pricing and then go to see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. The front end for this product goes for $17, which gives you access to this application where you do the magic. And of course, you have the unlimited edition, which is the upgrade number 1 for $67. You have the upgrade number 2 for done for you. It goes for 297. Here you don't need to lift a finger. The team of this amazing product are going to do everything for you, set it up for you, automate everything you need, and you'll be able to begin to make money online. And you have the upgrade number 3. The automation system goes for exclusively goes for $47. You have the Swift Profit upgrade number 4 for $47. You have limitless traffic for $97. Here you have access to 2.3 million users that they are going to make available for this very product, which you are going to have access to when you buy this product. You have also the upgrade number 6, the agency, which gives you the agency rights to sell this product as if it's your own and keep the profit across the entire funnel. So that's about the price. It's quite affordable for what it does. And now let's see the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Number 1 will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push button profits. You have also number 2, Tweets, a Chrome extension on how you can siphon traffic using extension from Chrome that will divert traffic to from Twitter, which is now X, to any offer or link of your choice. Could be a podcast that you created with this Ecco. Okay. You have number 3, Insurgency, which is a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also a Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is giving you access to free buyer traffic online. You have also number 5, the JavaScript commission bot. This bot gives you access to 4-figure daily commissions using special traffic sources online. And of course, you have it with this very link. Number 6 will be the lockdown formula, which is exactly the training I started with 2.5 years ago on how to start from scratch and create a digital business online. Okay, that's lockdown formula from Jonah Armstrong, my mentor. And then you have the commissions toolbox, which is number 7, and the last, which has over 1,000 links of different products, different capabilities, different tasks that you can perform: voiceovers, video editors, video creators, voice generators, anything you want, background removers, anything you want. You have access to a button that will give you access to that. That's my commission toolbox. Now, at any point you decide to buy this product after your purchase, by clicking that first link below in the description area, it will bring you to the sales page, like I said before, where you will find the button that you need to press to get across to 𝗪𝗏+, where this product is launched, where you are going to actually have a copy for yourself. This button will give you access. When you click on that button, it will take you to the 𝗪𝗏+ account of mine, where this product is hosted, and you find a page that looks like this under your purchase history. This button gives you access to Ecco, and you have this blue button giving you access to these amazing bonuses. If for any reason this link for my bonuses, the blue one, does not work, you write me using this email, and I will send you these very bonuses by email using the Google document that I can share with you. Okay, so it's very simple how you get this done, and with that we are going to actually go towards rounding this up. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. Ecco is going live today, the 1st of March 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's New York, which is Central European Time, 5 p.m. and 4 p.m. GMT. That's when this very button will become active, and you'll be able to pick up a copy from 𝗪𝗿𝗵𝗪𝗏's amazing product, one of those blockbusters just like Brainbox and the rest of them. So you have something on your hands here, and with this at that 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York, and you'll be able to buy this. And with this, we come to the end of this amazing review. I am excited, as you can see, and you can pick up a copy today and do your voiceovers, do your podcasts, and of course sales videos, TV commercials, jingles, anything you want. You'll be able to do this with this amazing product. I'm excited with this, and I will see you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the 𝗪𝗏@Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me guys, from here, it's goodbye.